This is Locker CS80A2, a heavy-duty corrugated fastener that makes joints twice as stronger as conventional methods and takes less effort and time. It comes 11.8 inches high, about 12.2 inches long, just over 3.9 inches wide. A heavy-duty corrugated fastener that makes joints twice as stronger as conventional methods and takes less effort and time. This fastener can shoot staples up to 5 by 8 inch in length and has a lightweight but durable aluminum construction. A bottom fastener loading system makes refilling quick and convenient. The grip has soft touch rubber coating to provide comfortable hold and ensure fatigueless operation. 1/4 inch inlet and multiple actuation trigger allow you to handle a wide range of joining applications. The unit comes with an easy jam cleaning design, so you can continue your job without any hassle. You no longer need to rely on old methods of wood joining like clamping, gluing, milling or screwing. Locker CS80A2 is an ideal tool for making windows, frames, cabinets, pallets, boxes, and larger wooden structures like caskets, mobile homes, and caravans.